Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my luster strike Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. So to begin, we need to make chains for how wide we want our blanket. You're going to make chains in the multiple of 3. I'm going to make 150 chains for my example blanket. So like I said, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 for how wide you want your blanket, and I made 150 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 double crochet into the same chain with the single crochet you just made. We're now going to start our sequence, skip 2 chains into the next one. We're going to make the same thing, a single crochet and double crochet into the same chain together. Skip 2 chains into this next one, make that single crochet and double crochet. Skip 2 chains into this next one, make that single crochet and double crochet. You're now going to start repeating this sequence. You're going to skip 2 chains and then into the next one you're going to make that single crochet and double crochet together for the rest of your row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. We're going to be using this 1 chain to skip 2 stitches. Into this space between stitches, you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. And now we're going to start our sequence. You're going to skip 2 stitches, and then into this space between stitches, you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, into this space between stitches, make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, into this space between stitches, make a single crochet and a double crochet. You're now going to start repeating this sequence. You're going to skip 2 stitches, and then into this space between stitches, you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. And you're going to repeat this until you have 2 stitches left in this row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 2 stitches left, and then over here at the end, you're going to have a chain. Into the top of that chain at the end of your row, you're going to make a single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. In row 3, we're going to be doing the same sequence that we did in row 2. They're going to be very similar. It's just going to start differently than row 2. You're going to skip 1 stitch, so the first stitch, and into this space between stitches, you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet like we have been doing. We're now going to start repeating our sequence from our last row. Skip 2 stitches, and then into this space between stitches, make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, into this space between stitches, make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, into this space between stitches, make a single crochet and a double crochet. You're now going to repeat this sequence of skipping 2 stitches and then making a single crochet and a double crochet into this space between stitches until you reach the last 2 stitches of this row. Once you get to the end of your row and you have 2 stitches left with a chain, you're going to skip these 2 stitches, and then into this chain space you're going to make a single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket turned out. I ended up making 123 rows total. And that is going to be how to make my Luster Strike Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.